Hello everyone, my name is Reza, founder of the optimizationcity.com. In this video, we are going to work through an example from the operation research together. I will show you step by step how we can use linear program modeling to solve OR problem. Let's move on.
Another example, consider the following example. This is very well-known example in the operation research, which is called transportation problem. A company produce medical equipment at two factories and has received order from the three medical customer. The table below shows the shipping cost per unit for each factory to each customer, as well as the number of units to be produced at each factory and the order by each customer. A decision need to be made regarding the shipping plan, or how many units should be shipped from each factory to each customer. It is called transportation problem. How we can model this problem? We have Xij as a number of units shipped from two factories, 1 and 2, to three customers, 1 and 2 and 3. Our goal is minimize the shipping cost, which is represented by the objective function, which is have here. And each customer has a certain order to fulfill. Customer 1 order 300 units, customer 2 order 200 units, and customer 3 order 400 units, and output of the factory 1 is equal to 400 and output of factory 2 is equal to 500. To summarize, our model aims to minimize the shipping cost by ensuring that the total unit shipped from each factory equal to their output and the total unit shipped to each customer equal to their order as follow. And we can solve this problem with the method it's called simplex method. We will discuss in the course I think 5, and you will know how to solve this problem. This is the objective function of this problem is equal to 5440. Thank you so much again for watching us. Or if you have any question, you can send an email by optimizationcity@gmail.com, or you can fill out the contact form in our website where optimizationcity.com. Goodbye for now.